So you've saved your first 10k and you're wondering where to put it. Do you buy stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate? The truth is, there's no one size fits all answer. It completely depends on you, your goals, your risk appetite, and your life situation. Before you invest a single pound, you need to understand something. Investing isn't about copying what someone else did. It's about matching your money to your personality. Because what feels like a smart move for me could feel like a panic attack for you. Some people sleep better knowing their money's safe. Others don't mind short-term risk for bigger growth. If you're someone who hates seeing your balance drop, start with ETFs, index funds. These track big markets like the S&P 500, FTSE 100, or the Nasdaq 100, giving you automatic diversification across hundreds of companies. Historically, they grow around 7 to 10% a year on average, which sounds small, but that's the power of compounding. You're not going to double your money overnight, but you're also not going to lose sleep when markets swing. This is the classic set and forget route. Perfect if you're working a job, building a business, or just want peace of mind. Now, if you're more like me and you actually enjoy researching companies, you might prefer individual stocks. What's worked best for me is picking solid companies that I understand, with strong fundamentals and future potential. Even within stocks, there are different levels of risk. On one side, you've got the household names: Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Microsoft. These are proven stable long-term plays. On the other side, you've got the smaller, riskier ones, stocks that could multiply or crash, like Rich Tech Robotics or AST Space Mobile. I've actually made full videos breaking those down, so check those out if you want a deeper analysis. Honestly, the best approach for most people is somewhere in the middle. For example, you might invest 60% into ETFs or 30% into individual stocks, leaving 10% in cash used for new opportunities or ventures. That way, you've got safety, growth, and flexibility all at once. At the end of the day, investing isn't a race, it's a reflection of who you are. If you want predictable growth and calm nights, stick with ETFs. If you want a bit of excitement and you're willing to research, go for individual stocks. The worst move is doing nothing because you're scared of losing. I hope this helped you think clearer about where to start. Check out my videos on Rich Tech Robotics and AST Space Mobile to see the kind of individual stocks I'm watching this year. Subscribe for more breakdowns on how to actually make your money work for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.